Hello and welcome. Okay, in this segment we are going to look at the ribbons in Microsoft Word. We have the home ribbon, the insert ribbon, the design, the layout, the reference, the mailing, the view, and the review and the view. So going back to the home, under the home we have the clipboard, the font, the paragraph, the style, and the editing. Clipboard, font, paragraph, style, and editing. You see the way they are partitioned? They are divided in partitions. We have the font, we have paragraph. What this means that everything in this place belongs to the clipboard category, and everything in this place belongs to the font category, and everything in this place belongs to the paragraph category, everything in this place belongs to the style category, everything in this place belongs to the editing category. Okay, let's take for instance the clipboard. When I click this arrow, remember, whenever you see this arrow, it means there is more to the clipboard. On this side, there is more to the font. If it's for the paragraph, I click this arrow, it means there is more to the paragraph. For instance, when I click this arrow for the font, it brings out the font dialog box. If I click this arrow for the clipboard, it brings out the clipboard pane. If I click this arrow for the paragraph, it brings out the paragraph dialog box, and so forth, and so on and so forth. So, assuming I want to copy something to the clipboard, what do I do? Let me expand to show the clipboard pane. The moment I highlight the text and click copy, if I click copy, you see the item I copied is inserted into the clipboard, or is being placed into the clipboard. What it means is I can still paste this item directly from the clipboard, or if I have another item like fish, I type another item like fish. If I highlight it again and I click copy, now we currently have two items on the clipboard: brown sugar and fish, in the order they were copied. So if I want to paste now, what do you think will be pasted? Okay, fish will be pasted first. Fish will be pasted first because fish is at the topmost. But if, okay, let's say paste, I click on paste now. You see, I am pasting the fish. What if I want to paste brown sugar? If I click on the brown sugar and I say paste, henceforth what I'm pasting now is what? The brown sugar. If I want to return to fish, I click on fish and I start pasting fish. Paste, paste, paste. You see? So if I for any reason want to clear the clipboard, I click clear all. Now the clipboard is empty. If you look here, you see the paste is no longer working because I have cleared the content of the clipboard. So when I click on paste, nothing appears. You see that? Okay, let us continue from the next section. Thank you.